I think by now we've realized that we just came out of what we would like to call the unicorn years of real estate, right? Post-COVID, 2+ years, 2.5 years was just out of this world in real estate. It was not normal, was not what it was ever supposed to be like, but guess what? It was what it was. Well, good news. On the next slide, I'm gonna show you how the foot traffic has really started to calm down a little bit, not as high as the post-pandemic years, but more to the pre-pandemic years. And we're starting to see it normalize even more, right? Which is what we've been trying to tell everyone when they're like, well, waiting for housing to crash and this, that, and the other. I'm like, guys, we got to hit normal first. Like, normal market needs to happen. And so that is what we're seeing. Normal foot traffic is still higher, but not as high as the post-pandemic years. Now, the next slide I'm going to share with you, we're going to talk about annual home appreciation, which we saw a couple years were a unicorn of appreciation. Let's keep it real. Like, that is not a normal amount of appreciation for homes. Now, congratulations to all the homeowners out there, right? We're all just super excited, hands in the air, because woo, we just bet a boatload of money, right? But the reality of it is that's not normal. And you're gonna start to see that 5% to 7% probably appreciation being the more normal appreciation per year. Still a good amount of money, still good, good ROI, but just not those unicorn years. And on the next slide I'm gonna share with you, we're gonna talk about foreclosures and how, yes, there's been a little bit of an uptick, but nowhere near the 17, 18, 16 years that we saw, and nothing like 08 and 09, right? Nothing like that at all. So even though there's a little bit of an uptick, the reality of it is with the foreclosures, they're not deals anymore, right? The banks know, they get an appraiser, they get a broker to go out to do a BPO, which is a buyer broker opinion of property value, and basically give them the results that they're looking for, and then they basically get somebody to pay that price, right? So the reality of it is the market is definitely healthy, it has definitely normalized, and honestly, that's what we need in the real estate market. So I just wanted to share a few slides with you on what's going on with the current market, and as always, the last couple of years, we're a unicorn. Those are gone. As always, I'm gonna bring you the facts. I'm gonna bring you the data. You just gotta bring the decision.